How to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing. Hello guys, so welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps here. Now right here you will find all the apps. Search for Instagram and click on it. It will take you to the app information page. Click here on force stop. When you click on it, go down to the data usage option. This is very important step. Scroll down, make sure to enable the background data and roaming data and all the options that are here. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data option and then go back. Last step you want to do is go to the power usage details. Go down here, you will find this force stop. Click on it if you found it enabled. Now go to the home page and open the Play Store. Search for Instagram like this and it will take you here. If you don't have the latest version, it will show you this update. Click on it to update your Instagram and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then unfortunately this option is not available on your country. Don't forget to like, subscribe.